Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. In our last video, we have discussed about the coastal plain and the type of coastal plain, and in this video we are going to discuss about the life in the coastal plain. So student, in this video we are going to discuss and explain about life in the coastal plain. And what is coastal plain? The place where sea meets land. The place where sea meets land, known as coastal plain. India has a coastline of 7,516.6 km and 5,422.6 km of mainland coastline and 1,197 km of India island. So student, Indian coastline touch 9 states. First one is Gujarat, second one is Maharashtra, third one is Goa, fourth one is Karnataka, fifth one is Kerala, sixth one is Tamil Nadu, and seventh one is Andhra Pradesh, and eighth one is Odisha, and ninth West Bengal. So student, first of all we will discuss about the states of Gujarat. Gujarat has the longest coastline in India, which lie in the Kathiawar region of the state and is 1,600 km long. This coastline is surrounded by the Arabian Sea and is dotted with 41 ports, 1 major, 11 intermediate, and 29 minor. Some of the beaches of Gujarat are Diu, Dwarka, Porbandar, etc. And second state which touch the Indian coastline are Maharashtra. So students, second state is Maharashtra, touch the Indian coastline. The state of Maharashtra has coastline of 720 km and is known as Konkan Coast. It is bounded by mountain range of Western Ghat, the east, the Arabian Sea in the west, Daman, Ganga River in the north, and the Gangavalia River in the south. And major agriculture crop of the region are rice, millets, pulses, coconut, etc. And now the third state which touch the Indian coastline is Goa. Goa is the smallest Indian state with a coastline of 160 km long. It is home to many beautiful beaches in the world. It is surrounded by the Indian states of Maharashtra in north and Karnataka in the east and south, with the Arabian Sea forming its western ghat. Now, the fourth state which touches the Indian coastline is Karnataka. The coastal area of Karnataka is known as the Kannara, which is 320 km long. The region is bounded by Konkan in the north, the Western Ghat in the east, the Kerala Plain in the south, and the Arabian Sea in the west. It has several tourist destinations: Maravanthi, St. Mary Island Beach, etc. It has three districts: Uttar Kannada, Udupi, and Dakshina. Now, the next state which does the Indian coastline is Kerala. Now, Kerala has the fifth largest coastline of 580 km in India and is called the Malabar Coast. Now, the next state which does the Indian coastline is Tamil Nadu. The coastline in the state of Tamil Nadu is the third largest coastline in India and is known as the Coromandel Coast. It is bounded by Utkal Plain in the north, Bay of Bengal in the east, Kaveri Delta in the south, and the Eastern Ghat in the west. Rice, pulses, sugarcane, cotton, peanuts are the main crop of this region. Now, the next state which does the Indian coastline is Andhra Pradesh. Student, Andhra Pradesh is the next coastline which does the Andhra Pradesh is the next state which does the Indian coastline. The state of Andhra Pradesh has the second longest coastline in India and lie in the region of coastal Andhra. The coastline is 974 km long with the Coromandel coast between the Eastern Ghat and the Bay of Bengal. Now, the next state which does the Indian coastline is Odisha. Odisha is a state which does the Indian coastline. The state of Odisha is a coastline of 485 km long coastal Odisha or the Utkal Plains. The region is bounded by the lower Ganga plains in the north, Bay of Bengal in the east, Tamil Nadu plains in the south, and the Eastern Ghat in the west. Now the next state which does the Indian coastline is West Bengal. West Bengal also does the Indian coastline. The coastal plain of West Bengal is located in Purva, Medinpur and South 24 Parganas district and has a coastline of 157 km long. The Sundarban Delta of West Bengal is the largest mangrove forest in the world. It is a home to wide range of fauna and is famous for the Royal Bengal swamp tiger. So student, now look at the map, and with the help of map you can understand the state which does the Indian coastline is. So student, here this is the map, and the state which does the Indian coastline is West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Gujarat are the state which touch the Indian coastline. So student, these are the states which are at the side of, which are on the side of sea, the state which lie at the on the bank of sea, and it is the coastline of India. All the states touch the Indian coastline. So student, I hope you all understand about this, about with the help of map. Now look at the life in the coastal state. In this video we are going to discuss about, and now we are going to discuss about life in the coastal state. Climate in coastal state is, the climate in the coastal area is moderate due to the presence of the sea. In the summer, the weather becomes uncomfortably hot and humid. The Konkan and Malabar coast get heavy rainfall during the monsoon. Monsoon rains reach late to the Coromandel coast. So student, the climate in the coastal area is moderate, not very hot, not very cold, due to the presence of the sea. And in summer the weather become uncomfortable and the weather become hot and humid because of the presence of the sea. Now look at the occupation in the coastal state. The major occupation of the people living in coastal state are fishing, because the people live in the coastal state means they live on the bank of sea. So the main occupation is fishing, shipping, trade, tourism and agriculture, because in the coastal state many tourists come, and because of the tourism is also a main occupation of the coastal state, and agriculture. Rice and coconut are the two most important agriculture product. The fertile delta region of Godavari, Krishna and Mahanadi are important region of rice production. So student, the delta region is the very fertile land. So the land of the coastal state is very fertile. Now look at the next. that is the culture in the coastal state. People of all faith live in this region. Each part of this region and each community has a traditional race, region, food, festival, dance, and art form. So, student, people of all faith live in this region. Each part of this region and each community has a traditional dress, because every state has a traditional dress and every state represents their traditional dress. Languages, every state has also a languages, food, festival, dance, and art form. So, student, every state select the dress, food, festival, dance, and art form according to the culture of the state. Now look at the next. Here look at the picture. Warli art is practiced by the people of the Warli tribe in the coastal area of Gujarat and Maharashtra. So student, this is the art which is practiced by the people of Gujarat and Maharashtra. This is known as the Warli art. Look at the next. The Basilica of Bom Jesus in Goa is known as the beautiful church. Student, the Basilica is the name of Basilica of Bom Jesus in Goa. It is present in Goa and it is known for a beautiful. It is known for a beautiful church. Now next, the Garba dance is the Gujarati during Navratri. Student, this is the dance which is done by the Gujarati people of Gujarat in Navratri. Now look at next. Celebration of Onam in Kerala. It is a harvest festival. So student, this is the picture. In this picture, there is a celebration of Onam in Kerala and it is a harvest festival. Now look at the next. The Jagannath Rath Yatra of Puri in Odisha attract thousands of pilgrims every year. Student, this is the Jagannath Rath Yatra and Rath Yatra of Puri, and which is in Odisha, and it attracts thousands of pilgrims and tourists every year. Now look at the next picture. Ganesh Chaturthi is an important festival of Maharashtra. So student, Ganesh Chaturthi is also important festival of Maharashtra, and here the picture show that there is a Visarjan of Ganesh. There is a Visarjan of God Ganesh. Now look at the food of coastal state. Food habits vary across the coastal state, but rice, fish, pulses, and vegetables are commonly eaten. So student, food habits are vary and people eat food according to their coastal state, but rice, fish, pulses, and vegetable are commonly eaten. Student, rice, fish, pulses, and vegetable are the common food that are eaten by the coastal state. Traditional Kerala food served on banana leaf. So student, this is the leaf of banana, and on this leaf the people of Kerala serve the food. Now look at the next. Chennapoda, a special sweet of Odisha. So student, Chennapoda is a special sweet of Odisha. This is the Goa is famous for its seafood, food, crab and prawns. So this is the food of Goa. Now look at next page. That is clothing. The traditional dress of Gujarat is Chanya Choli. So student, this is the traditional dress of Gujarat and it is known as the Chanya Choli. It is worn by women. And Churidar and Angrakshak, short jacket for women. Here the student, short jacket for men. Women in the parts of coastal plain generally wear shadi. The men of Kerala and Tamil Nadu traditionally wear lungi and shirt. The traditional dress of women of Kerala is a two-page shadi called Mundum Nariyatham. So student, The traditional dress of the traditional dress of man of Kerala and Tamil Nadu is lungi and shirt. Here, this is the traditional dress of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The lungi worn by men of Kerala is called mundu. So, student, same lungi is worn by the men of Kerala, and it is called mundu. The traditional dress of women of Kerala is a two-piece sari. So, student, the traditional dress of women of Kerala wear the sari in two-piece, and it is called mundum nariyatham. Now look at the next, that is languages in coastal states. The main language spoken in coastal states are Gujarat in Gujarati, Marathi in Maharashtra, Konakani in Goa, Kannada in Karnataka, Malayalam in Kerala, Odia in Odisha, Telugu in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil in Tamil Nadu. So student, the languages spoken in the coastal state by the language is spoken in coastal state according to their state, like Gujarat in Gujarati, Marathi in Maharashtra, Kannada in Goa, like that. So student, I hope you all understand about the life in the coastal state, and you have to learn about the life in the coastal state. That is your homework. That's all. Thank you.